Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our Zoho series. So basically, we started on telling you why the Zoho CRM, our customer relationship manager, is something you probably want to invest in or whatever. And one of the best things is that it gives you a free trial. And who doesn't like a free trial? I love a free trial. Everybody loves a free meal. Yes, especially when it's well cooked. So let's look into our CRM. So I've already went ahead and signed up. So all I did was just register on the front page and whatnot. But the good thing about registering for the CRM is it also registers you with all of Zoho's suite of apps, including mail, books, and all a whole ton of stuff. And chances are Zoho even has a kitchen sink somewhere. Zoho kitchen sink. I'm just kidding, but it more than likely has one of those. And by signing up for the CRM, you have already signed up for all of these suite of apps, including the kitchen sink that I mentioned earlier. So let's click on the CRM and see what's going on there. So I'm accessing the CRM for the first time, just like you. So pretty much it asks you, it asks you, it asks you to, you see this big red button that says access Zoho CRM. Alright, so clicking on it. Alright, so that brings us to this nice, wonderful looking blank page. I'm kidding, actually, this is just slow internet right here. But pretty much what it does is brings you to your dashboard. Waiting on that dashboard to come up. Alright, taking a little time here. It should come up soon. And that's a problem you have sometimes. You have the problem where the CRM is not as responsive or as fast as you want. So let me pause this video a bit until it comes up. Okay, so the first thing, so we have our system up now, finally. So the first thing it asks you is what is your allowed notifications. What is your company's name? So for our company name, we're going to call it code. Alright, with a cap C. Alright. There it is. Code solutions. Alright, they want our phone number, so let's just give them a phone number. And that would be 1-877-444-2425. Time zone and your language and your country. So I'm going to say Jamaica, and that's that. They can say, do you want to explore Zoho CRM, explore using sample data? So let's just use some sample data here. Let's get some sample data in here to make life easier. So let's go there. Alright. So it's going to populate, first of all, our CRM with sample data. So that will make life easier for us. Alright, so first up, what you start to see here is you notice we're on a trial enterprise. They automatically put us on a trial enterprise. And the enterprise edition is pretty much access to everything there is on Zoho, but it's not for long. So let's just click and find out what's going on with our pricing. So the first thing, let's just say what the pricing. And guess what? Zoho does not come cheap. Does not come cheap. What happens in your organization, you pay for um, each additional user you put on your system. So alright, let's just see if our payment is up yet. Still loading. Alright. So first up you're at your home, which is here. You see your task. We have no task activated here, or no activities here. And your task is basically your daily stuff. Let's just say you're supposed to call Miss Rogers and remind her that she needs to buy the book. It will be here. So it's just like a reminder. It's pretty much the stuff you have open that your sales group has not finished, or you haven't finished, or whoever is using your CRM has not finished. So it's a list of activities to do for the day. And then you have today's leads. So the CRM is really one of the strengths is to manage your sales or to forecast your sales. And one of the things is leads. What's a lead? A lead is pretty much potential customers or potential entries or well, let's just say customers to your business. A lead is pretty much someone you want to sell something to and you have not yet sold it to. So they are your leads. They can come in from your website, from your marketing, from whatever it is. So that's pretty much your lead. And your pipeline is pretty much a unique way of looking at how your sales get converted into paying customers, because your leads are not necessarily your customers as yet. They're just persons who you think you can sell to or have expressed an interest in your good or service. All right. So pretty much that's the difference between a lead and a customer, or in this case, it would be considered a account. Yes, or a contact. Pretty much, a contact. A contact is pretty much your customer that you're pretty sure is going to purchase something or has purchased something already. And then you have closing this month. The interesting about closing this month is you're forecasting your sale. So your lead come in, express a interest in your product, and you're forecasting the likelihood of this person actually purchasing your product. And closing is pretty much when you close the sale, when you move them from a lead to a contact to an account, you have actually closed the sale. So closing this month shows you pretty much the deals are whatever you're going to um, capitalize on. All right, so let's look at the payment. Yes, I know I'm jumping and shifting gears, but all of this is interesting. Notice something. You see this thing still spinning, 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 spinning. It's not due to sucky internet. From time to time, Zoho runs very slowly. It is a CRM after all, so pretty much it does a wide variety of things. But one of the things that you will find out using it is it has times when it goes down or goes really slow. But the Zoho team have constantly been making improvements on it, and this is definitely not one of the days that showcases their high point. So the actual system is running pretty slowly. Alright, so you have your sales inbox. What is your sales inbox? Your sales inbox is your email, but it's pretty much configured around sales. So let's just say you send an email from this very thing, this very system. You can track your sent items. You can track who opened it, every kind of interaction between you and the potential customer, which is your leads. So pretty much that explains what you're seeing at a glance in Zoho. All right. So you have your feeds as well. Your feeds coming from a whole ton of different sections. They coming from whatever you have your website, and they have this nice little video here to tell you how it works. And you have your accounts and you have your project. So pretty much what's here is stuff that's been populated by Zoho, because remember we told it to populate with sample data, that we don't have a empty CRM. So at least I have some stuff for you that I don't have to go and make up information. So look here, we have everything filtered in. We have today's leads. We have stage pipeline by stages, which shows us, as I said, the forecast on our sales and how much money we expect from whichever customer or potential contact. All right. So you see when you see these three buttons here, normally in Android it means more to cover or a lot more stuff, options. So pretty much it's the same thing in Zoho CRM. When you click on these three buttons, you get all of the additional stuff that could not hold in your dashboard. And this view is really your dashboard. So you have your contacts, which will become very interesting when we get into those. your deals, your activities, your reports. You even have your dashboards here. Although you're looking at a dashboard, you can customize your dashboard. You have your sale orders, your quotes, whole ton of stuff. And pretty much that's your Zoho at a glance, or your Zoho CRM at a glance. Alright, I will not be going long in this video. If you enjoy this video series, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Subscribe keeps this channel alive, and it lets me know you're interested in these types of videos, because I will only be doing it based on your interest. So if no one is interested, I'll just not do any more of these things, because it does take some time to do. Alright guys, so pretty much thanks for watching.